how to invite a collaborator on YouTube Studio Mobile. So you can now do that on YouTube. Facebook had this feature. So if you want to invite a collaborator on YouTube Studio Mobile, here's how to do it. Open your YouTube Studio app and navigate to the video you want to collaborate with other creators with. I'm going to use this one as an example in this video. So now click on the pencil icon to edit the video. Scroll down, you're going to see where it says invite a collaborator. Click on it. It says you are in control. Only you can make changes to the video. Expanded reach. It will help your video reach your collaborator's audience. So that creator, his audience is going to see your video also. Full ownership. You will keep all the revenue, views and watch time from the video. So this is how to invite a collaborator. What you have to do is to click on the search bar and search for any creator at all you want to collab with. Let's say I want to invite Tech. What you have to do is to click on it. You have an option to make him view your analytics, but he can't see your revenue. You can toggle this off or on if you want. Now click on create link. Copy and share your invite link. What you have to do is to copy this link and share it to your collaborator. When he or she click on it, it is going to take the person to a YouTube studio where he can accept the collaboration. So that's how you invite a collaborator on YouTube Studio Mobile. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.